That's a World War II P-51. Oh my god. Oh my god. ¿Ya nos vamos? The P-51 with the F-16 right there. It's crazy. Get everybody ready. They're gonna come passing above us.
Mira, mira, mira. Imagine a free fall for that. Wow.
Branches of the armed forces and their families stationed around the world defending America. We'd also like to recognize our wounded warriors and veterans in attendance who are fighting wounds that we can't see while also battling those we do not. To honor every American who has given their lives defending this great nation.
Oh, it's inbound, it's inbound, it's inbound. Oh my god. It's gonna be called Mach something, I'm not sure. I didn't notice that. Smoke. Did you drop a bomb? You could have dropped a bomb right now.
A safe bomb.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's breaking the sound barrier.
uniform, Major Easter in the F-16. They're actually going to provide a demonstration that the F-5 is still flying today in support of the aggressor missions here at Yuma. I think Major Chen's back here somewhere. He's going to tell you all about it here in just a few minutes. But right now, on takeoff roll, the North American T-51, flown today by Steve O'Henry from the Plains of Fame Air Museum, just outside of Chino, California. And that's FEMA. FEMA's over there in that red, white, and blue F-16, celebrating 50 years of flighting. Nice round of applause to Hayden Prophet from Smoking Thunder. He's going to be back later today. He's going to race again. And that's going to be a fun race, too. Biscuits rolling down the road, just perfect. Nicely done here by Jason Soames. Let's race on. Watch Soames. Starts with 7-8.
Guys, that is an F-16. There's stop Ileana right now. I mean Ileana. That's an F-16. That's an F-16. That's a P-51 from World War II. Jesus, this is so cool.
The U.S. Air Force has Technical Sergeant Matthew Smith up there. Also Sergeant First Class Benjamin Salinas from the Army. Sergeant First Class Brian Filer from the United States Army. And again from the Air Force, staff currently flying the United States Air Show World today. We're happy to have them here with us. All right, the jumpers are moving into position now, courtesy again of the military free fall system. Just like moving here. On board, all of those jumpers, those ceremonial batons.
I'll get it by landing. Yeah, I'm gonna sit there. Well, get up. Get up, Eliana. Ese avión fue accidente en Vietnam. Sí. Los enemies, los malos, que se estaban en este avión. Se llama...
Not just the capability of the airplane, but of the fighter pilot as well. To demonstrate its ability to operate any adversary vehicle to fly its radius turn.
It's coming.
Look at it right there.
Bogey inbound.